Hello kids, how are you? How do you feel today? Today we are going to make a review of the long sound of letter O. Let's refresh our mind. In some words of more than one syllable, you just need the letter O to create a long sound. For example, in these words, bonus, focus, or poem. Some short words have just O at the end. For example, go, no, or ago. Sometimes you have to add another letter, for example the letter A, to create a long sound. For example, in these words, boat, soap, and coat. Or you can use also the letter W, like these examples, low, no, or follow. Now that you remembered all about the long sound of letter O, you can put it in practice to reinforce our review. Thanks for watching this video, kids. God bless you. Bye.